Hello everyone, welcome to my channel xmartstudy.com. Today we will study about Betti's law. It is otherwise called theorem of reciprocal work. This is a generalized form of Maxwell's law offered by Italian professor E. Betti in 1872. The law stated as follows: in any structure, the material of which is elastic and follows Hooke's law and in which the supports are unyielding and the temperature is constant, the virtual work done by a system of forces P1, P2, P3 during the distortion caused by a system of forces Q1, Q2, Q3 is equal to the virtual work done by system of forces Q1, Q2, Q3 during the distortion caused by the system of forces P1, P2, P3. So let me explain it. There is a beam AB upon which P system of forces which are P1, P2, P3 and Q system of forces which are Q1, Q2, Q3 are acted upon.
But it will create confusion, that is why I am explaining it using two figures.
So here is a beam on which P system of forces are acted, P1, P2, P3, for which produces a deflection Y1, Y2, Y3. For P1 the deflection is Y1, for P2 the deflection is Y2 and for P3 the deflection is Y3. And here is the same beam on which Q system of forces which are Q1, Q2, Q3 are acted, for which small y1, small y2, small y3 deflections are produced. For Q1, y1 deflection is produced. Similarly for Q2, small y2 deflection, and for Q3, small y3 deflection is produced. Here the deflection small y1 which is caused by the force Q1 is acted on the line of action of P1. Similarly here capital Y1 which is deflection produced by P1 is acted on the line of action of force Q1. Similarly for the other force. Here WE is the external work done on the structure when the system of forces P1, P2, P3 is applied. WE dash the external work done on the structure when the system of forces Q1, Q2, Q3 is applied. Now let the structure be first loaded with P system of forces which are P1, P2 and P3. The work done on the structure will be WE. As the structure is carrying P system of forces, let now this system of forces means P system of forces. Let now the system of forces Q1, Q2, Q3 which are Q system of forces be applied. Now the total work done will be WE which is the work done due to P system of force plus WE dash which is the work done for Q system of force plus P1 into small y1. It is the virtual work done. Here P1 into y1, this is the virtual work done because this deflection small y1 it is produced due to the force Q1 but it is acted on the line of action of force P1. That is why the virtual work done will be P1 into y1. This I have already explained in Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. You can go and check it out. So here WE plus WE dash plus P1 into small y1 plus P2 into small y2 plus P3 into small y3. This is the total work done. And now the order of loading be changed. And the structure now will be first loaded with Q system of force. They are Q1, Q2 and Q3. So the work done on the structure now will be WE dash. As the structure is carrying Q system of force, let the system of force P1, P2, P3 be applied. Now the total work done will be WE dash which is the work done due to Q system of force plus WE which is the work done for P system of force plus Q1 into capital Y1. Here the capital Y1 is the deflection produced by force P1 but it is acted on the line of action of Q1. That is why the virtual work done will be Q1 into capital Y1. This I have also already explained in Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. So now the total work done will be WE dash plus WE plus Q1 into capital Y1 plus Q2 into capital Y2 plus Q3 into capital Y3. Equating both the equations, we get this force due to P system of force and Q system of force will be cancelled, and here we get P1 into small y1 plus P2 into small y2 plus P3 into small y3 is equal to Q1 into capital Y1 plus Q2 into capital Y2 plus Q3 into capital Y3. So here the virtual work done by the system of forces caused by P system of force due to the deflection caused by the system of forces of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q system of force equals to virtual work done by the system of forces Q1, Q2, Q3 due to the deflection caused by the system of forces P1, P2, P3. So this is the Betti's law or theorem of reciprocal work. Thank you.